It's the P&L for today. I probably made about $200 across each account. I wasn't even gonna make a fucking recap to this today because this is some bullshit. Okay. The only reason I was adamant about taking the trade is secure my payout, which I'm gonna get to by the end. But I'm gonna just be real blunt. I really don't want to do a recap of this day because the market just been shooting up doing what the fuck it want to do. So basically what we have is I'm evidently bullish. So coming in today, I'm evidently bullish. Like it's if you can't tell that this is a bullish market, then you're just a dumbass. Like evidently bullish, like even just going right here. All this is going up, everything's going up. So my first thing in mind was we had this 15-minute gap. And let's see what time is this. Okay, let's move it all the way to 9:30. Okay, so we left this low inside of this gap, which we also left this low inside of this gap on the 15-minute of on ES, right? Cool. So my initial play was I wanted to see a sweep of this internal low. This internal low to take out these highs, right? That's what the play was. That was the play for the day. Same thing. I want to see this internal low taken out to target all these highs, right? Okay. Market open and start immediately. I think it was bullshitting here, but on ES, hold on, let's just push it up. Let's just push it up. Boom, it started taking my goddamn highs. I was like, oh my God. I thought we were just gonna keep shooting up all day because it's taking all my draws. Like we had this Trump candle here. Trump, he didn't tweet nothing, but he had some news today at 7:45. And then we had is such a high still resting above. So I was like, everything is above. And we had a daily high, which is if I click it, it's just fuck it. If we click it, click. All right. We have this daily high resting right here. We have this daily high resting right here. So I'm like, we have stacked highs. We got stacked highs on. Let me take it back again. I want to fucking. We got stacked highs. So we got this Trump high. We got is such a high. And we got this daily high. They all stacked. So I'm like, bro, I want a retrace down and we take out all of that. Yeah, market just do what the fuck it want to do. So we got them. We edge it, but we end up taking all those highs. We took Asia session high, we took the Trump high. So we creating a bearish S&T, which I'm not mad at because I do want to see a bearish S&T to take out my internal low to continue up. So we failed to do so on NASDAQ. We can go on a 1 minute real fast. We failed to do so on the 1 minute of NASDAQ. We got this internal low resting here. We don't take it out, but on ES, we sweep that motherfucker. So my first entry, I'm like, okay, cool. So now all I want is an inverse. What do we get? I wait for the inverse of this 2 minute. Boom, we get the inverse of the 2 minute. I take my entry here. I take a long here. I put my stop at about like right here, I think. And I was targeting about a 1-to-1. I just wanted a 1-to-1 real quick. So we get that. And I have my break even point. Oh, we can erase this. Let's get this off the screen. Like I said, I was talking about a 1-to-1. So we go here. That's the high of the leg that manipulated. So that's my break even point. So then boom, it go to my break even point, and then boop, 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 boop. Oh no, wait. It went to my break even point here, right? And then it stumped me out. So I go to my break even point, I go break even, it stumped me out, and then it continue higher. After that, this motherfucker just started doing what it wanted to do. Like, let's erase all this fucking confusion purposes. It started doing what the fuck it wanted to do. Like, we can get rid of all this. None of this matters now. None of this matters now. So I'm like, bruh. I'm like, all right, I think we got a 15-minute open. We got a 15-minute open, but on ES, we didn't have a 15-minute open yet. So I'm like, all right, we don't have to go into a 15-minute. So I'm like, all right, cool. It go ahead, it comes down. It comes down. I'm like, bro, just give me a 5-minute and I will take it. So we get a 5-minute tap into this gap right here. Because we ended up opening up a 5-minute on NASDAQ. And we opened up a 5. Did we open up a 5? We kind of did on ES, but yeah, this was like kind of a shot in the dark. Because I didn't love it, so I went half risk. That's why my profit is so low. I went half risk. I went actually less than half. I usually risk around 500. I probably only risk about $200. So I take my entry here. Once we inverse this gap on the 2 minute, we inversed it on the 2-minute here. So I took my entry here. Once this candle had closed, I put my stop loss below this order block. And then, yeah, I took my entry. And then what ended up happening was I go break even here. I thought I was gonna get stumped out. It came down, it was edging, and then it went up to about right here, and I just closed it. Because I was like, all right, cool, I'm securing a payout. Speaking of which, so now we done with the trade recap, because that's all I got for the day. Like, the market did what the fuck it wanted to do. It wasn't the best trade. I didn't have a lot of conviction for the trade, hence why I went so low in risk. I didn't mind losing $200. But okay, so what we do have is, boom, we are securing about a 7K payout. Because well, on, let's see, on yeah, this account I'm about to take a payout. This is my 5th winning day. I copy trade all my accounts. So we got, the last time I took a payout was on the 1st. I didn't update you guys on that. I took a payout on the 1st. After I lost this trade, I just took a payout. I said, fuck it, I don't care. I took a payout, and then this is my 5th winning day. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 winning days. I'm gonna take half of the balance. So I'm securing about 6K on these 3 accounts. Not that one. Which other one? And this one. Yeah, and this one. And then this account I just took a payout on yesterday. And we have another account that I could, this one right here, well, I could take a payout tomorrow. So this would be my, I started my first trade on this account on the 6th. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 winning days of more than 150. So all I need is 1 more day of profit over $150, and then I'm done. Then I can take a payout. So I was gonna wait to take a payout, but I'm not waiting for shit. They're gonna go ahead and have to pay me my money. And yeah, and then I also secured my 5th winning day on my Lucid, which I'm gonna take over here real quick. Log in. Which is here. I got my Lucid account. Right here, I secured my 5th winning day. I would have liked for the profit to be a little bit higher, but I don't really mind because I only paid $65 for this account. So if I take out half, that's about a little over 800. So $65 to make $800. Like, even if I was to blow the account tomorrow, which I doubt it. I don't think I'm gonna blow these accounts. I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna continue to trade well so I can keep them. But even if I blow it, I don't really care. Like, I got $800 out of $65, and then these Top Step accounts, I already took a payout. I already made my profit off of these, and then yeah, I'm about to take more profit. I'm about to take a little over 2,000 from each of these accounts. And yeah, it's totaling me about, like, if I take a payout from each of these accounts, it's totaling me about 7,300 that I secured. So I'm gonna take it. So it's just like, fuck it, when you get the opportunity to take a payout, just fucking take it. I do want to go max payout. I think my next payout, I'm gonna attempt to go for max payout. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So that's secure. Gonna take that payout. I did take a payout yesterday from this account. Like I said, I think it was this one. Yeah, this is the one I took a payout from yesterday. I took out 1,300. So I would be up about, what would that be, like 8,300 on the week. And this is only 5 winning days. Because like I said, I took a payout on the 1st. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 winning days. And I'm at $8,000. Now they just show the power of trading. You know what I'm saying? So, yep. That's what we got going on for today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all nigga move that dope. Y'all nigga get that man on 4 now grave.